welcome to my channel Keper. My name is Monique. I just finished cleaning my sewing room and I thought it would be a great idea to show you my space. It isn't a really big space, but I'm really happy with it and maybe I can inspire you. I always love to see other people's room, so yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. I already have myself a nice cup of tea. So if you want to get something to drink, then yeah, do that. And then I will show you my studio space. So let's start with introducing my help for today. This is our dog Ben, and he really loves to spend time with me in my sewing room. And here is my desk. It is a really nice vintage desk. And on the back wall there is cork, which I really like, because when I make a quilt block I can put it up on the wall, and yeah, it's a little bit like my design wall. And next to my desk is my bookcase, and I have a lot of books about pattern making and quilting, and I have a really nice collection of vintage magazines. Let me show you. So these magazines are called Kunststoff, and they're all about pattern making. And it is a German pattern making system, and I really enjoy browsing through all these magazines and yeah, watch all the drawings about pattern making. And here is some batting for if you're gonna make a bag, tracing paper and tearaway stabilizer. And my help for today. And this is my sewing table, and it's really nice because you can adjust the height. So I can put it up, and if I'm ready I can put it down again. And under my desk there's this really nice little cabinet from the IKEA, and it's really nice to store all my sewing related items. My sewing machine, my serger and my cover lock. And this is my cutting table. There are two cabinets from the IKEA which I placed together. And there is Ben again. And I have this really nice card also from the IKEA, and yeah, it holds all my drawing stuff and yeah, all these different kind of little things. And it's really nice because I have extra storage. This is my ironing station. It's also a cabinet from the IKEA. And this really nice cross-stitch yeah, kind of painting my twin sister made for me. And I really love it. I think it is so cute, all these sewing related little elves. So a little close-up of my cutting table. There's my cutting mat and a quilt I made for my twin sister. I will make another video about that. And there are a few of my rulers, and I have this really nice easel. I put all my patterns on so I can see what to do. So on the side of the cabinets I have this really nice, yeah, it is like a hanging system also from the IKEA. So yeah, that's really nice. The cabinet also has drawers, and here is my rotary cutters and my scissors and pin and needles. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. And underneath there's all this space for boxes. It's always nice to have a lot of storage. and next to my sewing table there is my quilt ladder with my quilting, with my ghost and bed quilt and bunny quilt. And of course there is Steve the Chameleon, Sparrow in Boots, and there is another Steve the Chameleon. And on the other side of my room there is my embroidery machine and even more storage, which is really nice. I did a close-up of my embroidery machine because I also really like to embroider. So that was my studio tour, my sewing room. I hope you liked it and you got some inspiration. If you have any questions, then please leave them below. If you are not subscribed yet to my channel, then please subscribe, and if you click the notification button, you also get a notification when I upload these videos. And for now, thank you very much for being here, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!